Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Mr. Maple Donuts. I believe this one said it was going like 5 miles. Total for that order was $7. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is going 2 miles. Total for that one was $5. Finally got the next one. This is a McDonald's. I believe it said $9 going 6 miles. Thank you. You too. Oh, they would try to give me this order now. Seize the bagel, $8 going 1 mile. Right after I picked this food up. Like, you're killing me. Got this one as I was dropping off. This is a Seize the Bagel, $7 going 4 miles. Next up is a Seize the Bagel. This one is going 3 miles. Total for that one was $7, and it took like no time, so that was a really good order. Got the next one right away. This is a McDonald's going 3 miles. Yep, there's the no tip. Total for that was $3. That's disgusting. Been a few minutes, but finally got the next orders. Oh god, now I gotta do math. Hang on. Okay, we got 3 orders now. First, it was just a stack, which was Gravity Coffee and Starbucks. And then just now they added a Krispy Kreme, which is trash, but we're taking it anyways. The original 2 were $10 going 5 miles. And then the add-on was $6 going 2 extra miles. Something like that. And I am 3rd in line. That's lame. It's only 1 drink too. Like, I gotta be in and out of here so quick. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
Thanks. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. These 2 orders in my car have the same name. I think they might be going to the same person. Next order's a McDonald's. This is going 2.5 miles. Total for that one was $5. Been sitting around for a while and finally got the next order. This is IHOP, $8 and change. What do you want? No. It says IHOP, $8 and change going about 5 miles. Not gonna lie, I kind of zoned out. That was a pretty long wait. I probably should have left. Got this right away. It is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $13 going 5 miles, 7 items. think I might just call it early today. I am just not feeling it. Current time is 9:09. Current total is 69. And waiting on Uber tips. I'm not really sure how much to expect, so I'll throw up the total whenever they come in. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bro, give me the light. There's no cars coming. Okay, there was one car coming. Now can I go? Please? Bruh. Bye.